Myself and my partner Rod Tatro, we founded GroundForce in 2010 to bring what we see as a new drilling company and a new concept to the industry. My background is I'm a chartered accountant. I've been in the oil and gas service business for about 15 years now, with quite a bit of experience through the drilling side as well.
The last decade of my life, I've been focused primarily on project management. I ran and founded my own engineering company. We specialized in SAGD development, and that involved the full gamut of services all involved with that.
We provide services to the conventional oil and gas market, to the oil sands market, to the mining market, to the commercial water well market and the geothermal market. Within each of those markets we have different drilling product lines, whether it be coring, conventional vertical drilling. We are one of the few slant drillers that operate within the basin. We do casing preset work as well. We do cementing work as well. We also specialize in putting together specific teams for specific industries and making sure that we have specific knowledge for all of the different areas that we operate in. We've been lucky enough to develop a very strong core group of people that help us manage this company.
Our management team at GroundForce Drilling has been together in operations for numerous years now, so we're all very familiar at working together.
My name is Darren Pollock. I'm the HSC manager and HR coordinator for GroundForce Drilling, in charge of implementing our HSC program, recruiting people, and in charge of coordinating crew changes.
My name is Corey Patterson. I'm the operations manager for GroundForce Drilling. I look after all the operations of all the equipment, the crews and their training and abilities to do the jobs that we need them to do.
We feel our success is founded on a customer solution focus, with strong operations, with a strong health, safety and environmental culture, and with putting a strong team in place who all work together to come up with the optimal solution and the optimal operations for our customers.
We have a very versatile fleet of rigs. They range in depths from about 200 meters right up to 2,500 meters. We have a dual rotary rig in our fleet, can drill up to 24-inch hole. It's a great water well rig. It's also a great core rig. We have 2 slant rigs in our fleet. We built 2 2,500 meter rigs. They're 200,000 pound fully automated hydraulic rigs. They put the best of all the new technologies into this equipment.
This is one of our automated rigs. You'll see the automation that's been set up, even with the handling of the pipe. It's absolutely eliminated our workers from being in those high impact areas.
It's a very efficient, fast rig that's very safe.
Our versatile fleet of rigs allows us to target markets not only in the conventional oil and gas world. We're well suited for the mining, exploration.
At the beginning of 2011, we started with 3 rigs. We now have a fleet of 11 rigs.
I don't see the growth as slowing down any. It's going to be more bigger rigs in the future, and that's what the operators seem to want.
The drilling rig is the queen bee of any drilling operation. Having the rig as part of the project management package, we can control everything around us. I think there's a real fit to putting the drilling rig with the project management aspect of business. We like to get involved in your project. We like to give you input into your projects. We like to work with you to ensure that we're both working together to make it a safer and more efficient project.
We've had the opportunity to work for some of the largest oil and gas and mining companies in Canada. And to meet their standards, we've had to make changes to our safety programs. This has really gave us the opportunity to improve our safety program, take it to the level where it actually exceeds industry average and most of our competitors.
On our last core audit, we achieved a 96% rating, which is extremely high and almost unheard of.
Do not get complacent, always watch out, know your surroundings.
As we continually go from work site to work site with other clients, our crews embrace our safety program, and you can see that in our stats. I mean, we continually are requested back. We get great feedback that our safety program is up to speed and meets all their standards.
Safety is not just something that we talk the talk, and we make sure everybody walks the walk. We also want to make sure that at the end of the day, all our employees go home safe. Being a small private company, we are a team, but we're also a family. To operate as a very successful company, it's all about our people.
People stay with us because we are a small company. We do care for our people.
Excellent competitive pay. We have an excellent benefits program in place. It is a small group, so we have that personal interaction with each one of our workers. And I think the guys appreciate that, and I think that's why we get this return workers that keep coming back to us year after year.
We've been able to pull together some of the best people in the industry. That has really helped us bring this whole company together and work together as a team.
Prior to starting at GroundForce, each worker goes through SureHire, and then we go through a lengthy orientation process. We have a training facility. We set up our drilling rig in our yard, and we run all our workers, especially our green hands, through this rig to how these rigs function, what to expect when they come out into the field.
You know, we're committed to retaining and training the best employees possible. The more that you can retain the employees that you have, obviously the better your operations run, and it's better from a company basis as a whole. Our shared vision for the future is to continue to grow GroundForce, to optimize the equipment that we have. We're always looking for new technology that can add to our operations. We're constantly looking at new areas of business, or also in new regions as well, to make it one of the premier drilling companies. And we're always relentless in our pursuit of excellence and always trying to improve going forward.